Aww. She'll have to sing us pieces.
Thank you for coming to this program. Come on in.
Hello, Lauren. Who are you?
I don't know.
You're just a beautiful lady?
Brittany.
Brittany, and who are you?
Tina.
Tina. Hello, girls. May I come into your house?
Yes.
Well, what is this place?
Like, just a thing.
Those are so... Just a thing, just a place. And, oh, a baby in the crib.
It's sick. Look, he has chicken pox.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, it does have chicken pox.
What's the scarf over there?
It's a decoration.
It's a decoration.
Back there, you pull it up.
That's sweet. Okay.
Hi, Dad.
It's very nice what you girls have done in
Mary?
your room.
I'm taking a picture of that sick baby.
Let me see what we have here. Let me see if I get a picture. Madison, what... First tell me what's going on here, Maddie.
I have a really big toothbrush.
You do, let me see. Okay, move your finger out of the way. Oh my goodness, it's right there, isn't it? And is this your, how many loose teeth have you had before, Maddie?
None.
None? And when is it going to come out?
I don't know.
You think maybe today? I hope before the party.
Yeah.
For Olivia.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, thank you, Madison. Wiggle it one more time. Go ahead and wiggle it with your tooth. Or with your finger. It is so wiggly. Okay, bye-bye, sweetheart.
Bye.
Bye.
Mommy. Madison, can we open our present?
Wait, let's get a picture. Stand in front of the tree.
Can we open our present?
Hey, girls.
Sit in front of the tree, please.
Hey, girls. Hi.
Can we fix her hair first?
Yeah, that hair is pretty funny. Hey, Lauren, what should we do? Well, what are we waiting to do now?
Open presents. Open presents.
Open presents. Who are you?
Madison.
Oh,
Little
I know
hairy
that.
guy.
Little hairy gal, huh? And today is what? Friday?
Friday.
So why are we open our presents so early? It's not Christmas Day.
Because
Your hair's looking pretty wild.
you guys wanted us to play with our new things. And because after we would open our presents, we wouldn't get to play with them. Then we would have to go to the car if we opened them yesterday.
I see. Because tomorrow we're doing what?
Going to Grandma's for
Okay.
Christmas.
Okay. Is that a good idea? Is that a pretty nice tree, girls?
Yeah. You should see Mackenzie.
Okay, we have a new Madison.
Is it tall, tall?
Yeah, really. No, it's skinny. It's a one.
Look at those Christmas packages. Hi, girls.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Would you like to open some presents now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh.
She's taped. She's laminated. She's
Okay,
unterminated.
we'll have to get her out. But Lauren can, let's get her out of there and then we'll
Pick her up, sweetheart. Let me see her.
No,
Maddie, let Lauren
Thank
hold
you,
her doll.
Madison.
Maddie, let Lauren hold her doll.
That is Kit, the girl from the
Lauren,
Depression.
smile nicely.
And Kit was 9 and Grandma was 12, about the same time. Okay. We better see if we can get that Kit doll out, huh? I thought you know what it is.
I don't know. Mom, can you get this? No, someone has to help me.
Is it a pair of skates?
Get
Maybe.
up next.
The big feet.
No, it's not
What is it?
Uh-oh, she's
Let's
going
see.
to need some
Put it
help.
over here where we can see you when you open it.
Mom, it got taped on his eyes. Oh.
Nope.
A twin doll! Let's look at it.
A Maddie kind, silly.
A Maddie kind. See, a Maddie kind.
Is this Madison? Oh my.
She doesn't talk.
No, she doesn't talk. But she talks because you can talk for her, honey. Good, sweet girl.
The battery must be weak. It's not doing anything.
It's okay, honey. It'll flash. As soon as it flashes, then you're set.
Boy, her hair's gotten...
Wow, thank
Wow,
you,
look
thank
at her.
you.
It does look like Maddie. It really, really does.
Thank you. Here you go, all the stuff that
All
I
the
found.
stuff,
Oh,
excellent.
thank you. More and more stuff.
And there's a kit doll,
Now, Maddie,
kit book,
the
and
reason,
kit-
Maddie, let me tell you something. The reason you got another twin doll dress over there is that they couldn't get this dress in your size. And I didn't want it to be too big or small, so we picked that other dress. So when we Tom is opening his big gift of the year.
beautiful pillow. It's a beautiful. Oh, it came to me from Colorado. It's so nice. Beautiful. Hold on.
What is it, girls? Do you know what it is? Who's it
Big and soft.
from?
It's big and soft.
Who is it from?
It's from all the girls. It's a beautiful gray bag. Hey, hold on here. Hey, this is not a pillow. Hey, this is a whole jacket.
The winter one.
Hold on.
It was that's like the nutcracker.
Were you guys tricking me?
Yeah.
I thought you said this was for Uncle Mike. Were
Wait,
you tricking me?
that's like the
You're tricking me.
nutcracker, Dad. Dad. Hey, Dad. That's like the nutcracker.
Is it just like the nut? It is just like the nutcracker. You tricked me too. Thank you, sweetheart. All right.
What do you think?
Excellent. What a surprise.
Is it what you wanted?
For sure. Yeah, I'm at 8. Oh, it's such a good day. It's like 0 degrees.
Oh, really?
Okay, goodbye.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Daddy. He's going away now. He's going away to be warm.
Somehow I think the date is wrong. It's Christmas Eve day. Okay. Oh, here comes Maddie. We're at Silver Park. There is Uncle Mike and little Maddie. It's a good hill. Good run. Oh. Maddie, how was your ride? Hey!
You yank it up yourself? That was fun, thank you.
Okay, boys, ready? Look out, Madison.
They're coming down the hill
Look out, honey. Get out of the way. She's in a hot spot.
to the side.
Okay, boys, ready? Go! Uh-oh! Somebody's gonna go over the edge. Oh! Oh. Ah. They're a little big for these saucers, huh? Okay. Okay. Here come Mom and Laura. There's a creek down there. Okay, we got, oops. Here goes Matt, nope, Dan, and Maddie. Watch for the bush!
Maddie, go!
Whee! Oh.
He's like,
Is it fun, Lauren? Impossible to ride snow ski. Ah. The next generation has having as much trouble as the first. It's like hard, man. Boy, have I seen that one before. Hold on here, let me get to... What are we gonna do here, Danny?
You guys are gonna go down the hill with the camera on the sled.
Alrighty.
Drop left turn.
Woohoo! Whoa, Madison, here we go! Woo! Keep your feet up, honey. Keep your feet up. There you go. Woo! What do you say, Madison? What do you say, honey bun?
whoa.
Whoa, is that fun? Okay, good. First ever sled cam. Uh-oh.
Matthew Binkus. Danny Binkus.
Where did Madison go? It's Christmas morning. Here's Madison's gift. There's the sleds. There's Lauren's gifts. A little bitty baby. And the box is a little carrying case for babies. And beautiful stockings for Madison. A carrying case for a baby. And a bear with a tutu.